absolutely hammering down today. The roads we was coming through are flooding, so we might not get back out tonight. This is the Wasdale car park. So here we are. Here we are. Let's see, leave the car park. Gonna walk all the way up here. Number 2 will be a river crossing. Number 3, Hollow Stones Junction. Number 4, Lingmel Col. There's gonna be more stones scattered across here, so we have to be careful. And then number 5, we'll get to Scafell Pike Summit. Doesn't seem too much.
This section here is impossible.
Never. Oh wow.
Should we go that way? It's not the only way out.
It's the safest way up, but yeah, so there's just so much water coming down. This is just all flooded, so it's going to be way over knee high.
Oh.
What way would you recommend other than that one?
In today's conditions, I wouldn't.
Oh really?
Not in today's conditions.
Is it dangerous?
Starting to clear it a bit by here now. Obviously not the top. We've been instructed not to bother trying, as the second part of this journey, where we crossed the river, is that bad. They've advised us not to bother. We're gonna have a look anyway since we're here. We've made the drive up and spent overnight here, so we're gonna give it a go and see for ourselves. I know we shouldn't really do that, but we're here now and we don't want to waste our journey. So let's go see and see what we can do. Yes, lads. So this is what the river's going to be like when we got to try and cross over. We're just a bit more up the hill, and if it's like this, we spoke to some people and they said there's some people that's got past it, but trying to get back, absolutely no chance. So we're going to take a look for ourselves. This is what we're supposed to cross to get to the other side and make it to the third part of our journey. Unfortunately, as you can see, a lot of people have gone back down. The boys are going up to see if there's anything else we can do to get across. Don't think it's going to look good for us, but we're going to try and see what happens. I do not want our journey to end here. Right, so Ian's got halfway. Yeah, it looks like it gets a lot harder by there. No? Nah, Ian. I mean, look at it, guys. That boy just by there with his partner, he just went to try going across, but absolutely no chance. Ian has got halfway. It looks a lot less vicious by here, but over there, we're gonna go up further and see. Right, so all three of us are now halfway. Now what? Ian's trying to scout and find how to get across, but that part was quite easy. Cam's do the same, going further up. What can we do? There's a couple down here, they're still waiting to find a way. A few people have gone right up to the top up there. I'm not sure we're going to do this, guys. Guys, we found a way across. We are absolutely freezing. We're soaking. There's water in my boots, my socks are soaking, and we're not even halfway, but we're across. Right, it's this time, guys. We've come the wrong way. We have decided to make our own route because we come across the river, so we can go that way. It's rugged and it's very steep. Or that way, same situation. That way gets us there quicker, or we can go over here, steep as hell, and it'll take back to the normal trail. What are we gonna do? Join us and find out. Right, so we're stuck, guys. I can't get across by here. It's too steep, and it goes straight into this stream, river, whatever you want to call it. So we're going up, and it's a lot higher than what you think. I just checked the map. So hopefully this is the hardest part of getting to the top, but you'll never be too sure. As far as this is really, really good. Okay, so we've made it. Climbed all the way the steep side of the mountain, and it's so foggy now. It's gonna be hard to see anything. I can just see clouds there. Can't see a damn thing. It gets a little bit treacherous by here, guys. It's been like this for the last 10 minutes. Once we get to the top by there, you go across another way, and then it gets a little bit steep end, but you're on the home run, so we're almost there. Home straight, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. So windy up here. Stones ain't helping either. We're almost there. Scafell Pike. guys, so this is new to us. We never come up this way. We climbed across the side. So it looks like we're going to be following this waterfall down, the stream down, sorry. And we're going to have to cross that river at the point where we avoided, unless we try and find another place and go back up. I'm hoping that is not worse than what it was earlier on, because it has rained a lot since we've done this hike. But yeah, let's check it out. Hey guys, we're here to make this crossing. My feet are already wet. This is the fun part. We went up there last time and got across. We're going to try it from here. We're already soaking, so we don't care about getting wet. So we've just walked straight across. Maybe if we'd done this the first time round, we'd have gone up a lot earlier. That was easy as that. Well, you come back. Yes, I know. And I guess we're going to have to wait a second for the sheep to go through. Here it is. The farmers opened the gate up, now the sheep go through. Got the dogs now chasing them too. Yeah. We're back now to the car park where we're going to strip because we're all absolutely soaking wet. Ridiculously wet. But we're back.